The first part is download the latest Python. Just click on it and you will be able to download it. Okay, so I have already one downloaded. Binaries are there, so here's a binary. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. Okay, add Python path so that you can use it command line. Okay, so once you have installed the Python, okay, you need to install a few more packages. Next part is you have to install the PyCharm. This is a PyCharm is a Python IDE. So this will give you a good IDE for developing a Python programs, and you can easily debug. So better advice, install the PyCharm. This is a PyCharm IDE. So you will get it this PyCharm IDE from the website itself. There's a community version of it. So install community version, PyCharm community version. Okay, you can install it on Windows. Okay, so you use this community versions. Okay, use this community version. So once you install that, once you download and install, you will have this PyCharm IDE. So what you want to do is, anyhow, you install the Python 3. Now I am going to create a new project. Let me call it as ESP32. Okay, so now okay, let me ESP32, okay, small letter, let me say ESP32, ESP_32, ESP32 works. Okay, let me have the Python 3 as my interpreter, and let me create a new project in the current window. So once you have the new project environment is set, then you need to install one more tool within the PyCharm itself. Now the new project directory has been created. Okay, so now I'm going to for the terminal part, and here let me go it in the window mode. And for working with the with ESP32, you need to install one of the tool called as ESP2. Okay, that's ESP2 is something you'll ESP2. Okay, that's a ESP tool. You need to install this particular ESP tool to work with ESP32. So I need to install this one. Okay, so let me install that. Pip the Python you can install in the pip install. So you do the pip install, pip install ESP tool. Sorry. You do the pip install of ESP tool. Okay, so once you have installed the ESP tool, then you need to identify the serial port to which the ESP32 chip is being identified. So once you have the ESP32 chip connected to the micro USB port to USB cable, connect to your system, and it's better to know which devices, which port, USB port that your ESP32 is being attached just by looking at the device manager. You can get it this by just see device manager, device manager, and under the device manager check for the ports, and you see it's a COM7. So your ESP32 is been attached to the COM7. Okay, so once you have connected your ESP32 to the COM7, now you need to install what we call it as MicroPython. So okay, now I go for the MicroPython homepage, and you see oh yeah, MicroPython. I thought I am not recording, so go for the downloads, and you are working with the ESP32. Go for the ESP32, and these are the commands that you are going to use it. But before that, you need to download MicroPython. So I'm going to download the MicroPython, this version. Okay, and let me save it on to the one of the the directory that I recently created. Let me give it a name. Just it has added, it's appointed few names. Okay, I'm going to store it. Now the important thing is that you need to copy this particular command which has been mentioned here in the same download page. You need to take that. Okay, you copy that